Lola, and today I'm gonna read you a story. Clothes for rain. Look, what's the weather like? It's rainy. So our story is about clothes for rainy weather. Look at my big hat. Look at Teddy's little hat. Okay, what can you see in this picture? A boy, a teddy, and a hat. What color is the hat? Yellow. Look at my big boots. Look at Teddy's little boots. Say with me, boots, boots. What color are the boots? Red. Look at our big umbrella. Look! Very big umbrella for the boy and Teddy. What color is the umbrella? Red, yellow, green, and blue. Is the boy happy? Yeah, he's happy. Now say with me. Hat, umbrella, coat, boot. The end. Thank you for watching. Bye.